Hey Kuya, what are you doing po?
Writing my name po.
What did you say to teacher? You say good evening to teacher.
Good evening, teacher.
Teacher what?
Teacher Alpha B. Igdalino. That's your full name.
Okay.
Mama, yes, that's your guess wisely. EHLAI J. This J is a little bit close.
What's next?
A and H. Far away, so away. My G is so big. I'm realizing because it's not on the blue line. Good. More tabs.
Okay. We say good night teacher. See you tomorrow.
Good night, teacher. See you tomorrow. Write my full name.
Yeah. After you finish your homework. Okay?
Okay. Good night.
You finish it na po.
Mama, love you.